Hello. I just got to the lounge right now. Okay. Oh, really? Wow, thank you very much. I can't wait to see you. Okay, bye. Waiter! Waiter! Oh, goodness.
You're welcome.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good
What do you care for?
afternoon. Just can you get me the finest, most expensive wine of yours? Some dessert, it's okay.
Sorry?
Are you there for something? Or you
Sorry.
can't hear me very well.
Sorry, man.
Don't you understand English, for fuck's sake?
Sorry.
I need finest, the finest, most expensive wine, please, and some gizzard with it. Don't do cheap things, car.
Okay, man.
Get out.
Here's your bill.
Jesus Christ. Sir, please, I beg you. I need your phone to make a call for. I need to call someone. It's very, very, very important, please.
I don't understand.
No, see, I was expecting someone. Someone was going to like pay for the bill. Just please give me your phone. It's very, very important.
Okay. You can try your luck, sha.
Thank you. Okay. Hello? Hello? Yes, it's me. It's me, please. I've been waiting for you since. No, it's not a wrong number, please. No, please, hold on. Hello?
You're using my credit.
Please, I will give you. I will reimburse you back. Please, just hold on. You don't know how it's important.
You only you waka come. There is God in everything we are doing.
Hard. Hey!
What's the problem? I don't know what you say.
Okay.
I've been paid for one night. Hey!
She don't want to pay me.
Oh, sir, please, I have been paid for one night. Please, you won't understand. See, he said he was coming. Hey, he said he was coming. I called him. I was here. Yes. I called him and he said he will come. I should. He will come.
I hear me, but me.
Hey.
She was even doing shakara. Hello, please, just get to me.
Sir, please, I beg you. Hey.
Let's not create a scene. Let's get to it, please.
Sir,
What are you begging?
he said he was coming. He called me.
Just get up.
I called him.
Just get up,
No.
get up. You don't need to start begging. Get up, just get up.
Hello. What's the problem here?
She can't pay her bills.
And then, is that what the reason why you are embarrassing and intimidating her just for this sake? Eh? Let her loose. Get up.
Thank you, sir.
Get up.
Yes.
See, next time you guys do that again, I will not take it lightly with you at all.
Yes.
Don't worry, I'll take care of the bill.
Phone cash. What?
Thank
You don't need to start mesmerizing her like that because of just a common view.
Okay.
Can't you see how beautiful she is? Excuse us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Don't mention, okay? You are such a beautiful young lady. Okay? You were born on a Sunday, no doubt about that.
No, and I was.
Don't worry, I'm a soothsayer. Just turn around, let me see you. Let me see you. Obviously, there's no doubt that you were born on a Sunday. Sunday for 11:30 a.m. Yes.
Really?
Yes. And what says that I'm a soothsayer? That very day, the moon and the sun, they were like Janglova, Ekwemoto, Janglova, Ekwemoto.
Thank you very much.
Never mind. Don't worry. I'll food the bills and I'll take care of every other things. More so, henceforth, I can always take care of you. Okay?
Thank you.
It's okay.
I'm sorry, sir. Someone is waiting for me.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Let me have your contact. It's okay. Let me have your contact. Mm.
Let me give you. Okay, I've gotten it, sir. Yeah. So, the number is there, sir.
Are you sure it's correct?
Yes, sir. See, is this not your number?
That's why I say you are a beautiful girl and intelligent.
Thank you very much.
It's okay, no
So,
problem.
I'm really sorry, sir. The son that is waiting for me at home, she has been causing me since. Just because of this issue, they misunderstood the matter. Someone was meant to come and like sort it. She has been calling me.
Okay, it's okay. Never to worry.
So I'll get back to you.
Okay, what happens is that I'll call you and fix a meeting so we can have a meeting
No
for
problem,
you
sir.
know.
It's fine, sir.
Peru.
Thank you very much.
Hey, are you? Come here. So, why are you harassing and embarrassing her? Don't you know she's connected to me? Hey! See, next time you try that again, I will take a decisive action against you and your culprits. Nonsense. Because of you, how much is it that I, Faxyman, cannot be able to foot? If you try that again, one more time, I'll show you who Faxyman is made of. Nonsense. How much is the bill? Let me have your POS.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
I can always foot that bill. It's not a big deal for me. Please, here's it.
Okay.
I warned you.
Service or current, sir?
Do service. Or you want me to use my current for just a common bill?
Okay.
Young man,
How many times would they tell you?
you started indulging in fraudulent acts.
You be Mumu?
Are you trying to scam me? What's the meaning of this?
That is the bill, sir.
Which bill?
That is a bill. You be Mumu?
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
No, are you very serious? This is her bill?
Yes.
Eh?
You be Mumu?
I can't push my pin into this one. No. This one. So I'm not going to get bill now.
Okay.
How you going to tell me to make I call the sort for this kind of thing? For what now? Okay, you can have this. You better call her now. I won't be responsible for this. I cannot be responsible for this. Call her. Let her come and fit her
But
business.
you say you are capable of doing this. So what I say, sir, I don't understand, sir.
Let me tell you, the story has turned around. Go after her. Are you still here? Please, let me have my card. I won't be responsible for this.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi.
You're trying to scam me. You better go for her.
What is the problem with you?
No problem at all.
You
No
say you
problem.
can't pay the bills. Hello, sir.
That is not a problem.
Say you can't pay the
Just
bills.
imagine.
Sir,
He wants to
please.
scam me.
Sir, please, sort your bill.
Can you just imagine? 85,000 naira.
Sir, please, with all due respect, you have to pay for your bill.
Okay.
You said you cleared the bill, so yeah, please pay for it.
But me and you now, we'll be one now. We'll be young men now. See, 85,000
Sir,
naira. 85,000 naira.
Just have to, with all due respect, to avoid any other embarrassment, please.
But how do you expect me to
Please,
do
sir.
this now?
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Let me even call her. Let me.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
You have to pay for it.
How many times would they tell you?
My number is switched off, bro. Let's have a win-win here. We can discuss. We can talk over this time. We are young men, you understand? We can talk it over.
Talk about what?
Over the view. Over the view. It's 55,000.
You have to play. You said you can. So you have to play.
I have to be honest. I don't have to.
Ìbọ̀là ń lọ ènìyàn ó sùn nìyẹn.